This is Zane from Backcountry Pilot. I'm here to give you the shortest possible tutorial on uploading photos and posting them in the forum. This page is your photo gallery, so if you click on the Me menu, you'll find it by clicking on My Photos. First step is to click on the Upload Photos link, and you can create a new album or you can add it to an existing one. Let's create a new album called Test Photo Post, and then we'll choose some files from our computer. Go to this photo and choose one of my favorites, and it places them in this little area right here where it's queuing them for upload. When you've chosen all the files you want to upload, click Start Upload, and then it tells you those were uploaded to your new photo album, and it gives you the option to click on View Album where those were uploaded to. So now it's dropped you into your new photo album where it'll show thumbnails of all the photos you've uploaded. Click this button right here with the, it's dark gray, it has a little link icon on it. If you click that, it copies the photo URL and the BB code all together. So once you've chosen the photo you want to do, you can go back to, I have a handy tab right here already. Let's go back to the forum, and we'll just pretend like we're going to reply to an existing thread where we want to embed our photo. Click in the editor here, and then just paste what's already in memory by doing Control V, Command V, or you can right mouse click, choose paste. As you can see here, it's pasted the photo URL and it's already encapsulated by BB code tags. You don't have to do anything else. If you want to do another one, just hit return, go back to your tab with your photo album, and you can upload more photos and repeat the process.